Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix that fast charging is not working in your OPPO Reno 14. So here, as you can see, we have our phone, and at first I want to tell you that you have to test your cable and charger compatibility. Some chargers, like cheap chargers from China, are not compatible with your phone. So at first plug the cable straight into the phone, and at first check if it works, and if it does, check if you have some notification about not good charger. Go to battery, and as you can see here, we don't have any notification, we have only charging. So that's a compatible cable. You should have something like slow charging or something like that. So now when you are in the battery, here scroll down to the charging settings. Scroll down, tap, and here enable the smart rapid charging. Charge your device faster than the power adapter and cable. The device may get warmer during charging. Enable this option. Now, if that still didn't work, get yourself a Timo cleaner. For example, something like this. This was $5 on Timo, so yes, it's not that much, and yes, and you'll have a good cleaner for your phone. We can, for example, use this brush like here, and yes, now we can take a look on our charging port. And at first I want to tell you, don't clean your charging port with a metallic tool. It's only non-metallic tool, like for example this brush. And now we can brush our charging port right like that, and now there won't be any dust inside. You should see your dust when you use a flashlight in your charging port. You should see dust here. You all see dust. If there is dust, you should see this dust. Now we can place our phone back again on our desk, and the fast charging should be working. Check that and let me know in the comments. But if it still doesn't work, you have to now go to the settings in your phone back again. Wait a moment, and here go to the main menu of your settings. Scroll down to the system and update right here and tap software update. Here if you have tap here if you have any updates, like I don't here, but here if you do have any, update your phone immediately. It's because you may have if you update your phone, you may fix some bugs related to the battery and charging. And apart from that, you can test with the another charger or the outlet. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.